So the first thing you want to do is in the URL box for Google, you're going to search for Taylorsville Library Lynda.com. Let's say you have an account, a library card with a different library, like West Valley or any other library. Most of them have a resource where you can access lynda.com for free, but you do have to have a library card. So if you don't have one, do that first. Then you look up the name of your library and lynda.com. Mine happens to be right here under resources. I click on that. Then I scroll down. So this is how I find mine. Yours will be a little bit different. You go down to where it says lynda.com. This brings you to a login page. You'll put in your library card information. And it's the card, it's basically what's on the back of your library card. This is my wife's. And you put in your secret password and log in. Once you're in lynda.com, there's lots of different ways of getting resources. We're going to look at learning photojournalism and photo essays. His name is Paul something or other. Taggart, I think is how you say it.